So Zhiyun just sent us their brand new Crane M3 Gimbal combo. Seems like everybody and their grandmother these days has a gimbal. So in this video, we're gonna open this thing up, see what it's all about, see what features it has, and put this thing through its paces and give you our honest opinion. So let's do this. Zhiyun. What's going on, my little crane gimbals? My name is Matt and welcome back to Viva Media. So here we have the Crane M3 combo and we're just gonna get right into it and start unboxing this little baby. So because this is the combo, it does come in this nifty little carry case. Okay, so opening this thing up, let's see. Oh yeah, that's small. So right away, comparing it to the DJI RS2, I'd say this is like a half the size. But first, let's see what else comes in the package here. We have camera straps for the camera bag. That's always good. We have a little tripod that will go on the bottom of the Crane M3. Side note that I also love, I love that it's white. It looks like a little stormtrooper and it's a nice departure from the black on black everything of every piece of camera equipment. I like the white. I wonder if this does camera control. I think it does do camera control. Oh, and it has a little mic input. Okay, I like that. I like that. We have instructions and we have the camera plate. And then there is one more thing in here, and that would be a phone holder, because this, especially at this size, is perfect for mobile phones. It looks like they've taken cues from other gimbals and have locking axes, which I really like. I love the lever system, nice and smooth. We have this is the recentering or the mode switcher, I believe. Little joystick on the back for controlling it as we please. A mode, this looks like a record button. USB-C charging, love USB-C. Looks like a pretty solid little compact system. And there is, which I have not seen on many other gimbals, if any at all, a light. So this is perfect for vlogging, selfie style. Let's pop this plate on and let's balance my iPhone. I like this quick release system. Look at that. Ooh, okay, I enjoy this. That is nice. That is really nice, actually. Okay, let's pop this off. Let's put the phone, just attach that on. I've never balanced an iPhone on a gimbal, so we're gonna discover this together. Okay, so I gotta bring it forward a little bit. Balancing a gimbal is a little bit of an art, I'm not gonna lie. And this can move freely once we unlock it. There we go. We've got our little iPhone mounted, and let's see if this thing has any charge. It's alive. And we've got a little setup screen on the back here, so let's go ahead and click this. So you have your different mode functions. You have your balance menu, so you can check that out. You have your settings, auto calibration. Let's go ahead and auto calibrate. It's doing the little shimmy, the little shake, the little dance as it calibrates. Successful. Okay, we did it right. So in a couple minutes, we're up and running here. And I love the glowing M3 logo on the side. Love that. So we can use the joystick to move the gimbal around and manually point it in the direction we want to go. Now, I think double tapping this should return it to center, as suspected. Triple tapping it should put it in selfie mode. And it does. And if I hold the trigger up front, oh, it does like an FPV fast follow mode. Cool. If I let it go, it smooths out my motion. So this little dial on the side here is for the light, for the fill light. You can actually increase it or decrease the brightness, and if you push and hold, it should turn on. Wow. Wow, that gets quite bright actually. Wow, it's bicolor. So you can go all the way up to daylight, 5500, 5600, and all the way down to tungsten, 3200 Kelvin. That's cool. I like that. You know what? This is a gimbal after all, so let's see how smooth it really is with some test footage. Roll the montage. That is our unboxing and first look / first impressions of the Zhiyun Crane M3 Gimbal. What do you guys think? Looks pretty cool. I like it. If you're somebody who travels a lot, goes on trips, and needs something small, light, but you still want to get super stable footage with a small camera, I think this is for you. As always, my name is Matt. We are Viva Media, and we will see you in the next video. It's actually very nice.
Oh, it's a little baby.
It's actually nice. Do the crane dance, do the crane dance. Do the crane dance, the crane dance. Ooh, do the crane dance, do the crane.